If you have the wet form of macular degeneration and it's left untreated, it is very likely that you will rapidly lose much of your central vision. Fortunately, there are treatments for wet AMD that may help to slow the progression of the disease. If your doctor has found abnormal blood vessels growing near the central macula, it may be possible to treat them with standard laser therapy. With laser therapy for wet AMD, the pupil is dilated using drops and an anesthetic is given to numb the surface of the eye and in some cases to keep the eye from moving. A special contact lens is placed on the surface of the eye to help the surgeon see the retina. A high-energy laser beam is aimed at the tiny leaking blood vessels to seal them and to help stop them from growing. It's important to stop the spread of these abnormal blood vessels as quickly as possible. But depending on how close they are to the center of the macula, there may be some further permanent blurring or loss of vision after the procedure. The risks associated with focal laser treatment include bleeding, blind spots in your vision, new or recurrent abnormal vessel growth, which would need additional treatment, persistent or progressive vision loss, and the need for more laser, additional eye surgery, or medical treatments. Since laser treatment cannot cure AMD, you should be aware that even with treatment, your condition may remain the same or even worsen. Any or all of the complications from this procedure may cause decreased vision or even possibly cause blindness. Additional procedures may be needed to treat these complications. Other forms of treatment may be available for your case of wet AMD, including medication or photodynamic therapy. Your ophthalmologist can explain these alternative treatment options to you and explain why he or she chose a particular course of treatment for your condition. Although it's impossible for your doctor to inform you of every potential complication that may occur with eye surgery for wet AMD, he or she will aim to answer all your questions to your satisfaction.